We will jersey number 24, last 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Jersey number 25, Hazel Ibanez wala sa ng box. Jersey number 25, score natin, 81-75, Santo Niño. Jersey number 16, and 3 points, jersey number 16. Time on board, followed by Musimu. Time remaining for the fourth and final quarter. Last 2 minutes and 6 seconds with a score of 81-75, Santo Niño. Ayun po ang things, di ba kayo lang sa mga naging maksikahan by other para kay Happy ng number 1 kasama mga kanina ang SH person Mr. Honorable Joseph Pereira is country. Siman. Score natin 83-75. Again, 83-75. Santo Niño ang leading. End of the timeout. Last 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Even the jersey number 25. That's the jersey number 21, Mr. Ito. Last jersey number 5. Sweeper jersey number 26. That's the jersey number 21, Mr. Ito. Jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 to WhatsApp. Penalty bawat team.